I am Suresh Chandra Shrivastava. Our today's topic of discussion is Ikshvaks of Ramayana, depicted as Hyksos in Egyptian history. Here, the displayed stela carrying 12-lined hieroglyphs depicts to Seti, son of Parmesu and Tia, performing homage towards Satyavrat, establishing the stela to commemorate the coming of Ikshvak's house at Avaris. Seti named the stela year 400, 4 months, 4 days after his arrival. The season of inundation, the time of Apete Seti, Nupti. In the text, Seth came for Satyavrat Manu, Nubti for Nabhag, the other brother of Ikshvak. Parmesu is pre-coronation name of Rama, that is Ramses I. The Tia is for Sia or Sita or Sit. That in 1863, Auguste Merite, while excavating in Temple of Tanis, collected the here shown stela. It was brought to Cairo Museum in 1933, studied by French Egyptologist Champollion and others, that its English translation was produced by R. Montfort. The stela assert to the versions of the deluge stated in Avesta, Pentateuch and various Purans. Pentateuch Genesis 4.5 states to Manu as Noah, but it does not throw light on location of the deluge. Purans, specifically Bhagavat 8.24, 11 to 61, Matsya 11.42, comparatively throw enough light and state that to Dravid Desh located Manu, his totem god Matsya, the whale fish, had pre-warned about coming deluge and had advised to save sail on, fabricating a boat, find a boarding with seedlings of all fauna and flora, and the house to land of cobra totem bearing Ahaz. Earlier historians were conjecturing the location of deluge in Persian Gulf at immersion of Euphrates and Tigris. Now, the study of Indological text and traditions have confirmed to the deluge location at coastal Gulf of Mannar. Under Mahendra Hill, the Gulf of Mannar has still retained its name after Manu. Ikshvaks entered in Egypt through Arabian Sea. Puran Vishnu 2.2.6 name it Ichthyosi after Ikshvak. Actually, Manu was a shrine tree and chancellery. Its branches were distributed in other parts of India also. Indus civilization may be also one of it at point of Manu Jodhro. Later of man words evolved after Manu. Ikshvak was eldest son of Satyavrat Manu, succeeded to father's title and hegemony. It appeared among his 10 brothers, Nabhag had followed him at Avaris. Nabhag's name as Nubti is found stated on Tennessee Stela. Ramayana, Raghuvansh, various Puran provide long list of names of kings of Ikshvaku dynasty, with some variances as per their concerns with the branch of house or land. Sometimes mistake in editing or plurality in name of the kings may be also the cause. Vishnu Puran places Rama in 61 generation after Ikshvak and ends dynasty with death of Brihatval in Mahabharat war in 92 generation. Kun Puran laurel Rama as Vishnu, Padma Puran 5.2.69 and Brahma Puran 123 declare start of Dwapar after Kush, elder son of Rama. It is expected the time would have been the period of Ramesses II in Egypt. Ila, a stepsister of Ikshvak, and Sudum, a stepbrother of him, gradually bearing title Cobra and Bull, appear settled around Ilavrit. Vishnu Puran 22.15 refers to it, presently called Elbaz and the others in Indus region. According to Puran Bhagavat 9.1.23, the sons of Ila bearing totem Cobra were settled in Nile Delta had perhaps came for help of maternal grandfather and his sons, that is Satyavrat Manu and the Ikshvak's brethren. Ikshvaks were earlier worshipper of Shiv. With phonetical variances, Shiv, Shia sects evolved from it. It is worth to be noted, after rainy season, Hindus still pay homage to their ancestors. Shraddha Dev Manu, a long demised father, facing south coastal India, to which disaster had affected. The Stela 400 also depicts to such homage functions performed by Hindus still in India. Thanks for participating in this discussion. Comment, like and subscribe to my Facebook channel Shrivastava Suresh Chandra.